the first 10 Kia for allowing me to review the 2022 Kia EV6. Today we're introducing the 2022 Kia EV6. This particular model wrapped in an interstellar gray. For the length, 184 inches, height 60 inches. You have a wheelbase of 114 inches with a ground clearance of 6.1 inches. Right here we're looking at a 77.4 kilowatt battery pushing out 225. For the torque, 250. For the 0 to 60 in 7.2 seconds. For the ETA up to 310. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH, on the right you have your charging gauge. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go to your attention level, charging, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your cruise control setting with your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command and your plus and minus pedal shifter. Watch as I demonstrate drive mode. The buttons right here are your interior dim with your charger and trunk release alongside your traction control with your electronic parking. In the footwell you have your hood release. Looking on the door panel you have your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a 12.3 inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Kia Connect. You have your multi-touch traditional radio shortcuts. Now it turns to a dual climate control. The buttons right here are your heated and cool seats. You have your shift bezel. Behind the shift bezel you have your camera view with your parking assist alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your power button. This particular model is a keyless entry. Below the center console you have your 3 USB alongside your 12 volt outlet. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. You have your cup holder area. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're made our way up to your interior lighting alongside your SOS Safety Connect with your Kia Connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats. On the back of the seat you have your USB outlet. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. On the B pillar you have your air vents. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 24.4 cubic feet with seat area measuring at 50.2 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of 50-inch TVs back here. underfloor storage space. Once again, huge shout out to First Team Kia for allowing me to review the 2022 Kia EV6. If you need any information about it, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.